ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெயின் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. ஆனாலும் சாம்பார் அதெல்லாம் இன்னைக்கு கலர்னதே வலிக்கும்.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Very good. You are from which place?
I am from Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. Acha, acha.
Yes.
What is the degree you studied?
Engineering, sir. Be in mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Good. Which year did you complete?
Present year, sir. 2021.
2021. Oh, super. Excellent. Now, for you, no problem about gap and all that. Now, the question they will ask you is, what do you know about federal internship program?
So, as they have mentioned in the cover page itself, learn, earn, and experience. So, these three things are covered in the internship. First thing, we will be learning regarding the basics of the banking. Then through the with the conjuncture of the MAGE, that is Manipal Association of Global Education, through which we would be getting the PG diploma in banking and finance, where we will be learning the basics of the banking. Then the second thing is we would be working as a retail executive in the bank, through which we would be helping the bank in order to get the new customers and selling of the auto loan and loan against property and home loans. And so these are the some things which are included in the program.
Good.
So this would be the this is my knowledge regarding the programs.
You said loan against property and then home loans. What is the difference between these two? Perhaps you may not know. Loan against property is what? Housing loan is what? Hello? Hello? Loan against property is what? Housing loan is what? Hello? Hello? Srinidhi? Srinidhi, are you there online? Hello? Who is there online now? Who has come now?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Sir, Avinash is here. Actually, sir, I have done my interview today itself, but I am here to share my experience. So that's why.
Please share. Please share your experience.
Sir, let other join this. So after that, I will share.
After that, you can join. Now, I was conducting interview for Srinidhi Shinganamalli. He is from Bengaluru. I think the line got disconnected, correct? Srinidhi? Srinidhi. I think there is some problem. Hello, why the line got disconnected?
Yes, sir, some internet issue, sir.
Acha, no issues, no problem. For us, no problem.
There is some
Now-
lag in the internet.
Yeah, the loan against property is like this. There is already a property over which
Sir,
loan is
actually, I'm
being.
not able to hear you.
You're not able to hear me? Hello, Avinash, are you able to hear me?
Yes, it's clearly visible.
Avinash is able to hear me. Srinidhi is not able to hear me. Srinidhi, you are not able to hear me. So what we will do, Srinidhi, I will call you through landline. I mean, cell through WhatsApp. Srinidhi, you please come to WhatsApp. He is not able to get me. Yeah. Abhinash, I'm getting that candidate online. Yeah. I think there is some internet problem there. It doesn't matter. Avinash, you please tell.
Yes.
You had interview today. Today, that is 6th.
Yes, sir.
Which place?
I am from Maharashtra, Nashik, sir.
Acha, Maharashtra, Nasik. Very good, very good. Acha, Amni Socha, you are from Tamil Nadu. Acha,
No, sir.
you are from Maharashtra. Good.
Yes.
Can you please tell about the interview? How did it go?
Yes, it was very nice. Starting, they asked me to introduce myself.
Hmm.
So during introduction,
Hmm.
I was like my name, then my family background, my graduation. After that, I have mentioned my hobbies there related with watching movies. And again, I have mentioned one thing that I have watched Scam 1992 series. That's why I developed my interest in stock market. So I have mentioned stock market there. So my interview just carried out on the stock market only.
What are the
So
questions they asked you?
the first question they asked me that what is Sensex. So after that, what is Nifty? These two questions. Then what is the market capitalization of Federal Bank? Because it is related with stock market. So after that, what actually the meaning of capital market capitalization? Meaning bhi pucha unhone.
I think they are asking everybody. Even another girl, they asked this question. Market capitalization. You had interview in which place, Pune or Nasik?
Nasik, sir. Nasik.
Acha, ठीक है. बोलिए.
After that, they have asked related to stock price of Federal Bank. What is current stock price of? Current stock price of Federal.
Current stock price of Federal Bank.
Yes, sir. After that, they have asked me related to which company having highest market capitalization in India.
What did you
I
say?
have answered, sir. It is Reliance actually. I know that.
Yeah.
In banking sector, it is SDFC Bank. So after that, they asked me why banking after engineering. So I told them answer of this question. Like, sir, I told them that during Corona period, the number of my sector, that is mechanical sector, is hampered very much. But during that Corona paper, I came across the thing that bank is actually in the boom. Banking sector was performing very good. Again, banking is having the structural manner thing. Means the promotion and growth is very transparent and very fast. Again, I have mentioned that the person who are working in the bank, they are getting good respect in the society. They are getting good respect. Again, I have mentioned that the person who is actually banking is directly connected with the economy, directly related with economy, or any person is working with the bank. He's came across a number of things like accounts and legal things, finance, and that things are very much important for personal growth of any individuals. So that's why I decided to come here to the banking sector. And also salary is the one point. I also mentioned one point that in my mechanical sector, we are having skills, but not pay scale. But here in banking, if you are having skill, you will be getting good pay scale. So I have mentioned this point. So they will look satisfied with that. After that, sir, one problem, only one question.
Sorry.
They are
Yeah,
asking
yeah.
to
Wait, wait.
create-
Yeah, wait. 1 minute, Srinidhi. We are.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, Avinash.
Sorry, sir. Sorry,
continue.
sir.
No problem. Continue. Avinash, continue.
So after, sir, actually, sir. So they have asked me about as I am a single child, so I don't have any siblings. So they have asked me that how you, if we select you and post you in the another region, like south and north, so how will you manage this?
Yeah.
I have told them that it's not a problem for me. I can relocate with my family also. Again, they told me that you are having very rituals at your place. How did you manage? How will you manage? I told him that it's not a very big deal for me, sir. Because they are emphasizing on this point, sir. Because I'm single child, single child. At the last, they also told again. One interviewer asked me that, give me one example when you are away from your family, or you are living away from your family. I told them that during my degree course, I was in the hostel for continuously for 4 years. So this is not a very big question for me. So I told them.
Good.
Again, they asked me about Federal Bank. Tell me about Federal Bank. So I have told that Federal Bank is the old private sector bank which having 1,250 plus branches across the 24 states and 6 union territories along with Delhi NCR. Again, they are having 1,800 plus ATMs across the India. Along with that, they are having a 3 lakh crore of total business. Out of that, 1,71,000 of deposits and 1,21,000 of advances. Again, they are having a net worth of 16,000 crore and market capitalization of 15,000 crore. Again, one point I have explained them that Federal Bank is having 12,500 plus employees. The most important thing is
I think more than that. Yeah.
No, sir, I have read that 12,500 plus employees.
Okay.
And most important point is 40% are women. Actually, they are mentioning in their website. So that's why I have read that. So I told them again. They asked me they cross questioned me. Oh, what is the total business? You have mentioned 3 lakh crore. So what is total business? So I told them that total business include whatever the deposits with the bank plus whatever the advances bank were given and CASA accounts. All this total is nothing but total business.
Very good.
Then
kindly. Yeah. Avinash, kindly wait. We'll talk to Srinidhi.
Okay.
You can also put questions. Srinidhi.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, your internet is okay now. Yeah. Now tell me.
Yes, sir. Now it's stable.
Yeah. Now, how do you think this?
Yes, sir.
This job will be more suitable for you?
Sir, since I want to join banking as a profession, so it's for an entry level banker. So it's a very good opportunity in order to study the banking and experience in the practice. So henceforth, I think henceforth this program is very beneficial for me as an entry level banker.
No, but for this you have to tell some other reasons, like say, I am interested in selling. I am interested in talking to people. I am good in communication to others. I have the ability to learn about various things quickly. Like that, you must add some points. You must tell about your strengths. I will not leave a work when it is not done completely. I will pursue again and again and get it done.
Okay.
I am a good team player. I am also a good leader. I know how to talk to people, how to convince people like that. If you tell like that, they will ask you, how will you convince customers who are interested in going to SBI to come to our bank?
First thing I will convince them. First thing what I will be doing is
I think you have not been watching our videos fully. You have not watched our videos. You have not learned new things. Why?
sir, I just read your this Telegram posts. Only I am reading, sir, them.
That
regularly.
that is not sufficient. You must watch videos. You must watch how people are speaking, how they are communicating, and try to learn from that. When is your interview?
Day after tomorrow, sir.
Day after tomorrow. You have a lot of time. So I suggest you go through the videos, each and every video you must go through. How many videos did you watch?
Sir, maybe 4 or 5 I have watched.
What did you learn from that? Tell me. What did you learn in that?
Sir, some common question which you posted in the group, sir, that only they were just answering. Like, for example, yesterday cryptocurrency, you were speaking of cryptocurrency, that lady. So that you were explaining, and so yesterday there was only one cryptocurrency itself was any topic, and again rest all were some common question only were there, sir.
Sir.
Avinash?
And day before yesterday also some.
Yeah, who is speaking, Avinash?
Yes, sir. They also asked me about cryptocurrency.
Oh.
Who can invest in cryptocurrency?
Acha. Oh, cryptocurrency.
I just remember this. Who can invest in cryptocurrency?
What did you say?
Sir, I told them that everyone can invest in cryptocurrency right now, but we are having a number of platforms like WazirX platform. We are having like NSE or BSE. We are having WazirX with us in India, with which we can do a crypto. We can trade a cryptocurrency. Then they asked me that why government is means speaking lot much on this cryptocurrency issue. I told them that cryptocurrency is actually it's a blockchain technology fair. It is actually decentralized digital currency. Means not a single, what you can say, not a single institution is there, head institution or parent institution who can regulate that cryptocurrency. Like in our market, in stock market, we are having SEBI. In banking sector, we are having RBI. But in case of cryptocurrency, we don't have any regulator. That's why government is doing and working on that issue. So I told them.
Very good. Good. Srinidhi, what do you know about cryptocurrency? Tell me. Srinidhi.
Sir, it is a digital currency, sir, which is used for transaction, which is used for the purpose of transaction. It uses the encryption type. Yes, sir. So this is all I know, sir.
But I think you have to study a lot. You have to read a lot. Acha, okay. Now I'm giving you housing loan. How will you market housing loan?
Sir, first thing what I will be doing is I will be studying completely about the housing loan, sir. What are the characteristics and all, and then I will be comparing with the other banks, and I would be seeing how my loan is better than from other banks. Then through those points, I would be approaching the customer.
What are the ways by which you will approach customers?
Sir, first thing I will be approaching my own bank's customers, sir, Federal Bank itself, since they are the ambassador of our bank. So I would be approaching them itself first, who require loan now. So from them probably I may get connections of if any other people who are in require of loans, who are in need of loans. So through them it would be easier for me to connect.
No. This is not sufficient. The best option will be to find out the real estate agents, real estate constructors. Through them, find out who are all going to buy and check up from them whether they are interested in availing loans. That is the good source. Sir. Just as in the case of car loans, you should approach the car dealers in your place, and then find out who are all buying car approach them whether they need car loans and then try
Yes,
to
sir.
sell it more. Could you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is what all these things have been discussed in detail in many of my videos, and you are not fully
Yes, sir. Yes.
equipped about that. You have to listen to that much more. What is your father?
Sir, he works at Canara Bank, sir.
Canara Bank. Acha, you are the chief manager's son.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, I think I talked to you on that day you were talking well, but today I am not getting the light from what you are speaking. Why?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Yeah. That's right. Now, they are simply asking questions relating to this. What is retail banking?
Sir, it is a common man's business, sir. Retail banking, in short.
No. Can you tell it properly?
Sir, so retail is it involves day-to-day businesses in a person's life. For example, home loan, education loan, auto loan, all these loans come under retail sector.
No. You can also say retail banking is taking banking to each and every person individually.
Okay, sir.
Even
Taking banking.
say not rich clients, but
Okay.
poor clients also. Whereas, what is wholesale banking?
No, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Wholesale banking refers to banking services sold to large clients such as other banks, other financial institutions, government agencies. For example, Federal Bank giving wholesale banking means giving to some other banks and also some other financial institutions like NBFCs and other government agencies. That is known as wholesale banking. Could you
Okay,
understand?
sir.
Wholesale
Yes, sir.
banking.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Now let me ask next question. How many branches of, say, our Federal Bank is there in your
Thousand.
Karnataka?
Karnataka, it's 101, sir.
101. Good. Now, which are the leading private sector banks?
One is HDFC, sir.
Hmm.
ICICI.
Hmm.
Then actually Federal Banks comes fourth in the capital base, sir. In terms of capital base, is India's fourth largest bank. So that's all I know. And Karnataka Bank is there. CSB, Christian Syrian Bank, Karur Vysya Bank. All these are private.
Very good.
DBS.
Supposing a branch of Federal Bank is going to be opened in your district recently, how
Yes,
will you bring customers into that fold?
Yes, sir. First thing I would be doing is I would be reaching personally to each and every customers who are in need of loans. And I would be telling them, see, these are the benefits in which we are, like, I would be telling them how my bank is better than the other banks which are located in the locality. Then I would be telling, so if you are interested, kindly come and just take loan, whatever the services we are having, you can avail them.
See, actually, when you're opening a branch, first thing we try to do is to create a deposit base. We try to canvas for depositors, and then we go for, not that simultaneously we can go for advances also. In that case, we can always approach big institutions like schools, colleges, and big localities for canvassing of accounts. And also we can use social media. We can use local newspapers, and through them. Now what your father is doing, of course your father is chief manager, and he is chief manager of which branch?
He works in the head office, sir.
Acha. For him, no question of canvassing of deposits and all that. But even he is going to be, in which branch was he working in Bangalore?
He was not working in a branch in Bangalore, sir. Prior to this Bangalore, he was at Theni.
Acha, Theni. In that Theni branch, he would have tried to canvass for deposits, achieve
Okay, sir.
targets and all that. So
Yes, sir.
there we have to give more emphasis for customer contact through various social websites and all that, and try to get as many new accounts as possible.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Do you have any questions, any doubts?
Sir, how to proceed further from here, sir? So my preparation is such, and what all should I
Your,
to be
prepar-
bit precise?
your preparation is not sufficient.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you watch the Zoom meeting videos I have posted. Did you watch them?
Okay, sir. Sir, past 4 days I haven't watched, sir. I was preparing for IBPS PO exam, so I
Oh,
couldn't watch them.
maybe that is the reason. Acha, you wrote IBPS PO.
Yes, sir.
How many questions could you write?
Sir, around 54 or 55.
Very less.
Yes, sir. But I thought accuracy,
No, no, but
maximum.
even
Yes,
then,
sir. It's still less.
minimum 65.
Yes, sir.
Minimum
Yes.
60 plus cutoff will be there. Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tried my level best.
I think you are not prepared by joining some institution, correct?
No, sir. I am preparing for my own self.
And that is not sufficient. Maybe you have to take up mock tests and all that seriously and do every day 2 to 3 mock tests. Doesn't matter. Are you appearing for as IBPS clerk also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then prepare seriously for that after this interview, and then
Yes, sir.
prepare for that also. Now,
Okay, sir.
see, you watch the videos.
Okay, sir.
Some places I would have talked about it. Some places candidates would have told. A few candidates would have talked nicely, and some of them I would have appreciated there itself. You
Okay, sir.
listen to them, and if somebody has not talked well also, you try to find out what type of mistakes you should avoid, and
Okay,
then
sir.
try to improve your ability.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but you need serious thinking about this, and then prepare. Questions are all there in our Telegram page.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Lot of questions. I am asking questions only from there. Then they will ask you about your family background and all. That and all you can manage. You have sibling. How many siblings you have?
One sibling, sir.
What is he doing?
She, sir. She's my younger sister.
What is she doing?
She's studying engineering, sir. Second year.
Second year. Good, good, good. Why people are taking to engineering?
Sir, their own aspirations. So their childhood dreams, maybe many reasons. Sir. Interest in science.
Then why did you study mechanical engineering and now coming to bank? Why are you coming to bank? This question they asked today also.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir. Mechanical engineers are the integral part of any bank, sir. Since the banks are involved in the SME sectors, so basically SME sector involves all the mechanical majority of the engineers who mechanical engineers are working in the SME sector, sir. So as a mechanical engineer, I can understand in case when they are providing loans to the SME sectors, I can understand. So what is the scope of that? In case people from them come to bank to ask the loans, so I can understand what is the how much the company values and how much we should provide them. So that like that it would be.
This is not full correct answer. Possibly you can add that banking is an opportunity. Banking gives opportunities for career growth, and it is an increasing one. And I find it challenging. And also, my daddy is a banker.
Okay, sir.
So I want to join banking. Then they can cross question you by asking, why did you join mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering, I joined then because thinking that there will be more job opportunities, but there are not adequate job opportunities now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let me ask the next question. And if it stops at any time, don't worry. You prepare very well and attend the interview, and then
yes, sir.
Tell me the questions they are asking.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This is the type of question they are asking. How will you bring new customers? What will you do to develop the bank branch? These are all more or less similar questions.
Okay, sir.
Then, did you ever lead any team in your college?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, there was a competition from FKCCI, sir. So, which they conduct called Manthan. So, it is a competition where you need to exhibit your project model. For which the corporates would be like, in case if you happen to make any factory of that particular product, they would be funding you. So in that particular thing, I led my team.
Very good.
For which it went up to second round, and just before this final round, we got eliminated in the second last round.
Do you know two-wheeler driving, four-wheeler driving?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
No, do you know two-wheeler driving, four-wheeler driving? Hello?
Yes, sir. Both I know, sir.
Both you know. Very good. Why two-wheeler riding and four-wheeler riding is a must for people like you who are employed in Federal Bank?
Sir, since we need to meet customers, sir, so we need to travel from place to places. So henceforth, it is very much necessary.
Very good. What is mortgage?
Mortgage is something which you keep in the bank in order to take the loan. So that is the mortgage is some sort of trust, sir. It's like trust value, which you will be keeping in the bank. Mortgage
means when a borrower takes loan from the bank, he gives his house property or land property as security by way of mortgage.
Mortgage, okay, sir. Sir, it may be even auto loan also, no, sir. In car, bus.
Auto loan, the property is hypothecated to the bank.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Auto loan hypothecated to the bank. Gold loan, gold is pledged to the bank.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
gold
sir.
is pledged to the bank. Can you tell me why should we select you?
Sir, since I'm aspiring to become a banker, so this is one reason. And second thing, my communication skill is quite good. I can connect to people very early, and my grasping power is quite good, which is most important requirement of a banker. Since the rules would be changing from time to time, you need to adopt to the new rules and conditions every time. So which is I'm familiar to that. So that's why.
Very good. Are you?
You need to hire me.
No. Are you comfortable with this nature of program where you will be on internship and your confirmation is dependent on your achieving targets? Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
What is the salary they will pay you?
27,500.
Supposing you are posted away from your home place, say somewhere in Shivamogga, how will you manage with this money? Is it sufficient for you to make a living?
Sir, Shivamogga is a suburban city. For Shivamogga, it is sufficient, sir.
Supposing you are posted in Mysore?
There also it is sufficient, sir.
Good. Supposing you are posted to Mumbai?
Mumbai, I don't know, sir. So there they won't be posting, I guess, sir. Maybe.
Yeah, very good. Now, can you try to, supposing you are, can you tell the name of famous business people?
Famous, Satya Nadella, then Indra Nui, then Sundar Pichai, Parag Agarwal, then Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, Ratan Tata.
Good, very good.
Anil Ambani is not.
Anil Ambani is not successful.
He is bankrupt.
Bankrupt, but now
Still a
today
businessman.
Today in a newspaper it has come that he is going to be given 1,000 crores by all his problems are because his creditors, his debtors did not pay to him. That was one reason. And now he is bankrupt. You don't have to tell his name. Anil Ambani
Okay, sir.
is not a successful businessman. Correct.
Okay, Dhirubhai
Name of
Ambani will tell, sir.
Ratan Tata, sir. Take name of Ratan Tata.
Ratan Tata, fine. MB Narayanamurthy, Asim Premji, then Hindustan Nadar,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
like
Shivnanda.
yeah.
Mahendra,
And then
Shivnagar, sir. Mahendra,
then-
sir.
Yeah, Magendra's Adani Group and all that. Now, this boy, he knows more about business. You please start telling about what are all other questions they asked you, Avinash.
Sir, again, they have asked me difference between Sensex and Nifty.
Sensex, and tell us what is it.
So Sensex is actually the what you can say index of BSE. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange, and Nifty is actually an index of National Stock Exchange.
Good.
In case of Sensex, we are having top 30 companies. They are evaluating top 30 companies and they are making the index of that top 30 companies. But in case of Nifty, they are having top 50 companies. So this is a major difference between this.
Very good. Bombay में 30, Nifty में
नहीं
50.
सर, बॉम्बे में 50.
30 बाबा, you are wrong.
हाँ sorry, बॉम्बे में 30 उसको ही सेंसेक्स बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
And NSE में निफ्टी और उसमें 50 कंपनी.
Yeah, correct. Good. Next, any other question? And anytime the video may stop, don't worry, we'll stop with that. So
Okay,
please
okay.
continue. Please continue, Avinash.
Okay, sir. I have told.
Yeah, before that, Srinidhi, are you there online?
No, sir. He
has gone.
He left.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Now you tell. You complete it. Anytime we can. Yeah.
Okay. Then they asked me about retail banking. What is retail banking? And on this note, they have ended my interview. So I will sum up all the questions one by one.
Yeah,
First, they
please.
asked me to introduce myself. In introduction, I have mentioned stock market. That's why they go into the what is Sensex, what is Nifty, and tell me the difference between Sensex and Nifty. Again, they are going to what is market capitalization. Tell me the market capitalization of Federal Bank. Then tell me which company is having highest market capitalization in India. In case of banking, which bank is having higher market capitalization. After that, what is meant by retail banking, and related to my means I am a single child, so related to that relocation related questions.
Very good.
At the last, they told me that your interview is very good. You are told each and every answers, but again they asked me about that same question. You are single child, so how will you manage? They asked me 3 to 4 times that question.
Now, whether your parents will permit you to go away from your native place.
Yes, I told them that it is okay with me. At the last, they asked me that tell me the one incident when you were away from your parents. One single incident in past. So I told them that during my degree course, I was there at a hostel. That place is 100 kilometers away from my house, and I was 4 years away from my parents in hostel life. So there is no problem. There is not such big deal for me to live away from my parents.
You are not homesick.
No problem. I told them I'm not.
Very good.
And crypto. Last question, sir. Who can invest in cryptocurrencies? And why government is working on that cryptocurrency issue? These 2 questions.
Yeah. Because even Nirmala Sitharaman said that it is very risky. People have to be very careful while investing.
Very careful. Because it is decentralized digital currency. That's
as you rightly said, there is no institution which is taking responsibility for that.
Yes. If someone lose their cryptocurrencies, there are no one to ask for that. What happens? But now, if anything happens with our Demat account, then we can ask directly question to the SEBI. SEBI has to give answer to us.
No, but it is also true. But in the case of even limited companies, when the share price goes down, we cannot do anything.
Sir, that is the issue. But NSE can stop the trading. or SEBI can stop the trading.
Or
But
for
in
ex-
case of
no,
cryptocurrency, sir,
or
there is
this-
no any.
you can analyze this way. There is an authority like SEBI to control the functioning of these stock companies. If there is any violation, then that will be put under check.
Yes.
For example, if there is insider trading or some other thing happening against the interest or of the shareholders, that will be taken care of by our SEBI.
Yes. Yes.
Just as in the case of banks, say if the management is acting against the interest of the depositors or the advance borrowers, the Reserve Bank will exercise a control over them. Okay. Very good.
Sir, I intentionally mentioned stock market there
I know.
because
You are good
because
in
I
that.
did. Yeah, yes, sir. That's why I just drive that interview in that direction.
Excellent. So this is one way, wherever you are confident, you take them. That is good.
Yes. Yes.
Best wishes.
Okay. Then.
Anything?
Thank you, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is farmer.
Oh, mother?
Mother housewife, sir.
Only child.
Yes, sir. Only child.
That's right. And now, what is your dream job?
I am actually preparing for banking. My 2 results are pending, sir. RRB PO final interview result on 1 January and RRB clerk final result on 1 January. My SBI mains result was not good, sir. Means I have got 2 marks only. I got only 2 marks less in mains for SBI mains.
So you did not appear for mains.
No, I appear for mains, sir, but actually not qualified the mains for only 2 marks.
No, but result has not come, na?
Yes, SBI already declared SBI clerk, sir. I was talking about clerk.
Clerk.
Yes, last month the result were.
Yeah, clerk result aa gaya. Yeah.
Oh yes, but I hope I will be there in waiting list maybe because only 2 marks margin.
No, 2 marks will not be in the waiting list. Only up to.
Sir, they are having 3 to 4 waiting list, na? 3rd waiting list.
But even then, number of candidates are more in even 0.5. Anyhow, let us wish you get selected. Best wishes.
Yes, and I am also